It's super fun seeing people love images in ChatGPT, but our GPUs are melting, says Sam Altman from OpenAI. So OpenAI has integrated image generation directly into ChatGPT, replacing its previous DALL-E integration. This new system aims to provide more consistent results with fewer content restrictions. In today's video, we're going to take a look at exactly what this new image generation feature can do, who gets access, and 15 insane use cases. And also be sure to subscribe to our free newsletter below to get the latest branding news information. Let's get started. So what makes GPT-4o's image generation so special? Unlike DALL-E, GPT-4o doesn't just generate an image and stop there. You can refine and tweak your images mid-conversation, just like you would with a designer. OpenAI has integrated image generation directly into ChatGPT using the GPT-4o model. But here's where it gets even more impressive. GPT-4o is omnimodal. That means it doesn't just process text, it understands and generates various types of data, including images, text, and even contextual refinements within the same conversation. That also introduces an enhanced autoregression approach to image generation, allowing GPT-4o to render text within images far more accurately than before. That means AI-generated posters, infographics, and branded visuals are about to get a serious upgrade. First, GPT-4o follows detailed prompts better than ever. It can handle complex instructions, multiple objects, and specific attributes with an accuracy that previous models struggled with. Second, it introduces multi-turn generation, meaning you don't have to start over if something's off. You can just tell GPT what to fix, change the lighting, adjust the style, and it adapts while maintaining consistency across iterations. Third, GPT-4o supports in-context learning. You can upload an image and ChatGPT will analyze it to generate new variations or make edits based on its content. It's almost like having an AI-powered creative assistant that learns from your inputs. And finally, OpenAI has drastically improved text rendering within images for everything from AI-generated posters to social media graphics. Here we'll dive into 15 distinct use cases combining art styles. One of the standout features is the ability to combine multiple art styles into a single image. Users can create unique visuals by merging different artistic influences, which is particularly beneficial for establishing a distinct brand identity. This capability is essential in a world where originality is increasingly challenging to achieve. Creating marketing assets. The tool simplifies the process of generating marketing materials. For instance, users can take an existing advertisement and modify it to feature their own products. This functionality is invaluable for those lacking technical skills, enabling quick and effective ad creation without extensive design knowledge. Testing advertisement variations. Users can now test different advertisement creatives by generating images that feature their products in various contexts. The AI maintains consistency in product representation across multiple images, allowing for efficient testing of marketing strategies without the need for costly photo shoots. Style transfer feature allows users to apply a specific artistic style to their images while preserving the original content. This technique enhances existing visuals, making it a popular choice among artists and designers looking to maintain a coherent aesthetic. Infographic creation. The AI can generate infographics that present complex information visually. Users can input data, and the tool will create an informative image, which can be used for educational purposes or marketing materials. While some adjustments may be necessary, the AI typically achieves a high level of accuracy. On-brand social media assets. Maintaining a consistent brand image across social media platforms is crucial. Users can prompt AI to create images that align with their existing branding, ensuring that all posts reflect a unified aesthetic. This feature streamlines the content creation process for social media managers. User interface design. The AI can assist in generating user interface tiles based on existing designs. By providing a reference image, users can request variations tailored to specific themes or topics, making it easier to create cohesive design elements for applications or websites. Text rendering. The new model excels at rendering text within images, overcoming previous limitations faced by AI. Users can create visuals that incorporate text effectively, enhancing the overall communication of ideas and concepts.
People tend to say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but being able to also render like a few words or symbols can carry like thousands of pictures, with a relatively simple prompt, like visualize an infographic explaining Newton's prism experiment in great detail with a wide aspect ratio and a dark blue background. So this is like an example where, one, we're going to rely on being able to render text in useful ways, combine it with visual elements that actually ground what this text about this experiment even means. And hopefully, help students who are more visual, learn both through, language descriptions of a phenomenon, but also, a visual imagination of what the experiment actually looks like.
Character consistency. One of the most significant advancements is the ability to maintain character consistency across multiple images. This feature is particularly useful for storytelling, allowing creators to develop characters that remain visually coherent throughout various scenes.
One thing that I'm really excited about ImageGen is the ability to keep consistency in characters. What I want to show is one of my favorite prompts, which is, can you create a low poly penguin mage? Make it very, very low poly. Surprisingly, it's sometimes hard to get very good low poly outputs. It's not like other image generation models where it tries to generate something based on just the text. Instead, it uses the large language model understanding of what does the user want, what is the intent. I also like some board games, so miniature-like games. So what I'll do now is generate a miniature from this. So ideally, we'll see a penguin that looks like this with the same staff and a hat. So can you make me a realistic miniature as if a professional made this and painted it? This is what I think excites me the most about ImageGen. The other image generation models will try to create literally what you said. But what's special about this is, one, it'll keep the context of this character. And then two, it'll understand what I'm trying to ask it for and generate very similar model, but in a miniature realistic style. It infers what I want. I don't have to tell it every little detail. One other realistic thing we could do is, can you make a crystal version of this with light reflecting and very realistic? Again, I'm just giving it very, very simple things. Normally, this is not enough for other models to generate something very detailed, but the model understands what I'm asking for. It'll think what type of style it should have. So this ability to really understand what the character is and make edits and understand what the user wants.
Material transfer. The AI can perform material transfer, allowing users to apply textures or materials from one image to another. This capability is a game changer for 3D modelers and designers, saving time and effort in the creative process. Thumbnail creation. Users can convert sketches into thumbnails or polished images. This feature enables creators to visualize their ideas quickly, reducing the need for extensive back and forth with graphic designers. Just a heads up, the thumbnail for this current video was made using GPT-4o. Super realism. ChatGPT excels at producing super realistic images that are often indistinguishable from real photographs. This level of detail and realism can be utilized in various applications, from marketing to artistic projects. Transparent image generation. The AI can generate transparent images that can be easily integrated into other designs. This feature simplifies the process of creating stickers or overlays, enhancing the efficiency of graphic design workflows.
My name is Jianfeng Wang. I'm a researcher in OpenAI working on multimodal. The way how to generate the transparent image is pretty intuitive, straightforward. Now let's give it a try. Let's say the content is a cute puppy, cartoon style, squared size. This is the prompt, and now let's see what happened. The model will take the input and tries to generate the image. Let's give it some time. So now let's see what we generated. This is the transparent puppy. Another application is to make it a sticker. Let's give it a try.
Yeah, let's make stickers.
We can easily overlay the transparent image onto any kind of background. Now we can copy the sticker onto our laptop and then we can paste it here. Make it smaller so it can be easily blended with the background.
Can you make me a sticker?
You sure?
A smart researcher wearing glasses and a blue shirt.
Okay. Let's give it a try.
With glasses.
Sticker style, yeah, with glasses. Oh, we got it. Yeah, I think it works pretty well.
Muppet People. The quirky yet entertaining use case involves generating Muppet-style characters, and this feature has gained popularity for its humorous and creative potential, allowing users to create fun and engaging visuals. And lastly, asset extraction. The AI can assist in extracting assets from existing images, enabling users to isolate elements for reuse and this functionality is particularly useful for designers looking to repurpose visuals without starting from scratch. Now here's the part that everyone wants to know. How do you get access? Right now, GPT-4o's image generation is available to ChatGPT Plus, Pro, and Team subscribers, but free users not yet. OpenAI didn't expect demand to be this high, so they're holding off. No confirmed date has been announced for when the feature will be available to everyone, but I'll keep you updated. Of course, OpenAI has put guardrails in place, blocking harmful content, limiting deepfakes, and adding invisible AI watermarks using C2PA metadata. Basically, every image created by GPT-4o will have a fingerprint showing that it's AI made. This raises the bigger question: how do we balance AI innovation with ethical responsibility? As AI-generated content becomes more common, distinguishing between human-made and AI-generated images will be more important than ever. Do you see AI as a tool for creativity, or do you think it's replacing too much? If you want to stay ahead of AI and branding updates, hit that subscribe button because I'll be covering all major releases as they drop. See you in the next one.